Kani gadega Batisi TV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasni.
Ka India Tibet Cooperation Movement Forum kan sepelong da kejing ya pej ba hau benai nai weng mentaus nam arja kanyo ban persauto syaki pej ba halor kejing nang hiar jong ka khai pateng hapo kari India na kejing wan tu jong ki mar ki mata na ki wai pat kiri khamtam e ki bawan na kari China. National General Secretary jongane kaseng Rajneesh Tyagi habakren bakino pthai kubor haka arpon reutrek mentau nailor ulai tho bakane kaseng kalarai banang ni sakman kin am thiet shu yikitiar ki bawan nakri China khnang baka khai pateng hapori India kan kio bat kin pelong ru ya ka peace rally man pensha pat ba halor kini kimat ki bakta ya kayo kokot jongkari India ya kani ke jingya pat ba ka bansa hi simbenta de ki hajar ngot kinong songsnong on sedang na do ka khat khandai terek unai weng na Guwahati but on pankot hatamang jong ka jalla Arunachal Pradesh haka arpsau terek unai weng.
Tibet is under the control of China and because Tibet is under the control of China, Chinese armies have moved very close to our borders, especially the northeastern states are at a threat. So that is why we want to cooperate with Tibet in winning back their independence. Number two main issue is that we should all boycott Chinese goods, especially in this festive season and in our houses. Why? Because we are strengthening the Chinese economy. Our Indian economy is getting weaker and the China is buying weapons and everything and they are getting stronger and stronger, and that is why the threat of overtaking the northeastern states by attacking is increasing. Number three is that China has proclaimed that Tawang area, which is in the Indian territory, they want to claim that area as their own area. They want to attack that and they want to overtake Tawang area. So every year from 2012, Bharat-Tibet Sahyog Manch has been going to Tawang. Every year they go in the dates when China attacked India and they want to show solidarity that this belongs to our Indian continent and not to China. So this year also they are going in large numbers, about 300 to 400 people, and they want to invite people of the northeastern states to join this movement, to go to Tawang. They will take out a peace march there, and also they will organize some programs to spread awareness about all these things. So that is why in these three things they have emphasized, and we have formed the ladies wing of the Bharat-Tibet Sahyog Manch today. We will give you a printout of the entire team. We are all going to work in different communities of Meghalaya and try to create awareness for all these.